Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing or a more shopping video. I'm thinking that this is going to be just a quick one. So a couple of years ago, somebody stole one of my blackout kit that I have in the front. Probably going to show you a picture. And I was thinking that I had no rush ordering a new pair. Things might get cheaper. Somebody might want it to be in with that order, yada, yada, yada. So I waited just because I was cheap. And the years has passed and everything is much, much, much more expensive now because of our Swedish bad krona. So while ordering new set of those, that was very expensive, I ordered a new set of rear glass, light lamps, glass, because the paint shop that painted 80% of my car ruined the rear glass, rear lights. They did not fix that, so I needed new ones while I ship away my rear lights to get them fixed. And since I use this car more or less daily, I need something else in between. I really do prefer the totally red rear lights, but that is super illegal in Sweden. Everything is illegal in Sweden. So yeah, the red lights are temporary. I really do like the ones that I have, red and white or red and clear, because in Europe you have red and orange that I don't like. So the ones that I have, red and clear, are nice, but all red is absolutely nice. And then I bought some service things as well. Nothing special at all. But this ended up costing me $1,350 for mainly a part costing $160 more or less. I think even cheaper. I think $100 somewhere. And because I waited and waited and waited, so in Swedish krona, yeah, this is nuts. So let's go at it. I don't even remember all I ordered, but this is for the oil zone. So yeah, service parts, always good to have. I have two Corvette C4, so always good to have service parts. This is the condition of my rear lights, glass, after the car had been to the paint shop. House of Paint, absolutely do not recommend. I'm pretty sure I ordered new rubber gaskets, ceilings, but they were nowhere to be found. So this will have to do for a while. They don't look the same on the inside. The original ones had a metal plate, screening plate here, and I really didn't like this text on top. Yeah, so it's not the same. This metal screen plate is not on the new ones, and I don't know what this is for, and I think I have to break that part. And since people have absolutely no respect at all for other people's cars here in Sweden, I had to buy another new license plate cover. And yes, this damage is also from people not caring about other people's cars. And this will not fit as well as the old one either. Corvette Central, what are you selling? The sun went down, so I had to continue indoors. So before, it absolutely looks a lot better like this. I'm gonna update with black screws as well. But yeah, and this powder on the car is not metallic paint, it's the pollen in the air. And after, and yes, this looks a lot better. I'm not too happy about the stripes, and because of those stripes, that's the reason that I don't have LED lights. I just want standard flat red lights, but this looks a lot better. But it's illegal in Sweden. And the tape that you get to mount these are absolutely not enough. I will do my best to make sure that they will not fall off again. You can probably see my extra tape. Maybe not. Because these are also illegal in Sweden, so they have to be removable on that yearly inspection. As you can see, it doesn't lay flat. I've been thinking of just putting a black film on there, but I want to think that these makes the car more aerodynamic as well. Now the car is dirty because of all of the pollen, and the stickers are just temporary for our event, but I really like the blackout kit and the all red rear lights as well. Looks a lot more, a lot cooler.